What's going on, guys? It's your boy James, the Forex Prince, over here at Beastly Trader, where we teach traders how to become consistently profitable. Today's video topic is a question we all hear many times, and that question is Forex trading profitable? If you're interested in becoming a consistent, profitable trader, then stay tuned. Are you tired of blowing accounts, or do you want to make more money than you lose in these markets? Then hit that subscribe button and that bell icon so you don't miss any tips, tricks, or fixes when it comes to trading in these markets. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can increase your chances of profitability in these markets with the help of very useful price action strategies that I've been taught and I've been using since almost the beginning of my trading career. But before we get into anything, I just want to say thank you for watching this video, and if you stay to the end, I'll show you my best methods on how you can earn more money in these markets trading Forex. Alright, tip number one, let's go right into it, is limit orders. Alright, I don't know if you can actually see where my limit orders are here on the screen. I got a sell here and I got a buy here. So what I did and how I got these levels, right? These levels were created off the daily chart, which we're on now, and you can see if I zoom in as much as I can, I managed to get in here the top and the bottom of the daily candle. So the way this works is price opens in at the top and it shoots down to the bottom to create the new low, and it kind of like bounce in between there for the duration of the time. So let's say market is ranging, which I think it is right now. I'm banking on price to continue trend, but if price chooses to go against trend right now, then I'll have, you know, a position set for that as well. Also, we're at stop losses and take profit as well. So you can see where we are right now. If I just zoom right here, you can see where we are. So the red line here is resistance and where I think price will push past. I have a sell stop order here, and the way you do that is you hit the little plus sign in the right hand corner and you go to market execution, hit that little drop down bar, and then in that drop down bar you'll see buy stop, buy limit, sell stop, sell limit, and you know, when price isn't at these points, you can put sell stops. When price is at these points, you can put sell limits. I hope I made some sense. But definitely, like I said, when price comes below this part, it's entering into my sell stop execution. All right, and my stop loss is going to be the candle. Wherever price is currently, my stop loss is going to be right there. All right, I'm having real type stop loss. I think it's about, this position is about 0.5% versus 2.5 or 3.2. I think, no, this is 2.5 and the buy is 3.2. See, I'll tell you why later, why I'm riskier more on the buy position than I am on the sell position. I'll tell you that later. So like I said, my take profit is definitely the most recent structure down here. So I'm thinking price comes in here in this zone, I want to get out. Same thing for a buy. If price decides to break above this support here, if you know, look to the left, price breaks above this support, then cool, I'll take it to the top of this support up here and I'll ride it. That's why I got the candles. Green go up, red go down. My position is about 3.2% up, 2.5% down on risk to reward ratio. So like I said, let's drop down in time frame. You always start off at the daily because it lets you see things on a more clearer point. See where my take profit is for my sell? Right in here. Right in here. And start doing all this chaos in this zone, I'm out. Same thing up here. It starts doing all this chaos in this zone up here, I'm out. All right, like I said, tip number two is limit orders. This is my trading position, right? Price is here. You see it doing what it's doing here in this little area. You see it. It broke. It's over. So it's right now. It's crossing the resistance line and entering in the Bollinger Band. We're going to see if it can break this 50 here, which is about the 50 here, and if it breaks the 50, then we'll see and look for an uptrend, which is, you know, this green line. If it break that green line, we good. You can see if I zoom all the way in, because we're on H4, it got so close to breaking the line, but it just didn't. then it went back down. Same thing for sell. It almost entered on both positions, but I'm in my position, but I'm not in my position. If it breaks these 2 points, then I'll actually get into a position. All right, and my stop losses are fairly close, so it'll take me out. I'm gonna be notified thoroughly when I'm in my positions, and once I'm in my positions, I'll know to come and monitor my stop losses and know to put them at break even and stuff. So like I said, just drop down to lower time frames so you can see what this position looks like even more. So there you go. On the hourly, it looks like it's coming back down. So if it come back down and it clear beyond this point here, which is most recent structure, clear beyond this point, it's going to enter me in and we're going to be good to go. See? Boom, boom, boom. On the other strategies. Alright, so tip number 3 is my analysis. I think price is trying to form a, let me come to the higher time frame because I like to shoot from the higher time frame. I think price is going to bounce for a buy, and I'll tell you why. Right? Try to zoom out here. Price came down and it broke out the bottom Bollinger Band and it shot all the way up until it broke out the top Bollinger Band. It tested the 200 and now it came back down here into the 50 range, right? Came into the 50 range. It didn't go beyond the 50 range. Look, didn't go beyond the 50 range. It came in the 50 range. So I think price has came up and it's going to use this level where it is now to try to bounce and test the 200 again. Come to the daily, you can clearly see what I'm saying. So we're in a respected downtrend. If I had to draw the trend line here, price broke trend line, so we're on the other side of trend line, and I'm looking for a bounce up to a certain extent for a continuation. Because if you look at everything, the candles are coming down. Even if we was to come to the weekly, right now we're at the bottom of some Bollinger Bands, so we could possibly retrace and try to hit this red line here and then bounce back down. So you see how the candle is set up. That's my positions. That's what I think gonna happen. Alright. So like I said, man, for better or worse, I definitely think you guys should go ahead and definitely check out this price action strategy. Definitely take into it. I really hope you got something from this video, and I got a few more tips for you. So if you're here still, definitely like this video and subscribe, and then help us get seen by the other people. All right, so stay tuned. And you know I gotta talk to you before I let you go. I just want to give you these last few life tips here and help you better yourself as a person and an individual, like we all should be. Alright, I just want to let you know that you only need 5 hobbies in life in order for you to have true balance. Alright, you need a hobby to where you can make money. That could be anything outside of working. For me, it's trading. You know, I still have a daytime job. I still raise my kids. I still help coach people, and then I trade. All right, so outside of that, I still make sure I do 10 to 15 push-ups a day and 25 sit-ups a day. At the end of the week, I did something, you know, something. I make sure I jog up and down my steps a few times, get a couple laps in, do what I do, and I also make sure I stay creative. Now, this is the main key factor, because a lot of people lose their motivation, a lot of people lose their drive, and that's due to how creative you are. All right, no matter what happens, I always try to produce a new product, a new helpful journal, a new helpful tip, a new helpful video, a new helpful response. I'm always giving to the people. I'm always in those forums and community groups helping solving those little problems that them new traders are having. I just got 6 people today ready to go, and they're already looking at my analysis and ready to trade as well. So like I said, you got to stay creative, guys. Gotta stay creative. While also staying creative, you also got to know that you have to continue to build on your knowledge. You have to continue seeking, because I just was saying this to a person because now I'm getting paid from Facebook as well, because like I said, the hobby for me just doing things that I normally do, financial literacy is just crazy. I'm getting this financial knowledge. Facebook is not paying me for videos, and that's just another thing. I would have never known that had I not would have done what I've done and the research that I've done. All right, and outside of that, I also wanted to be known that there's prop firms giving out free accounts and stuff like that this month. I wouldn't have known anything about that had I not done my proper research. I wouldn't know that, you know, gold has been selling off for a little minute had I not done my research. I've caught every NFP, the last 2 NFPs, and done wonderful. All right, so like I said, it's all about building knowledge and understanding and putting a lot of stuff in your vault. My vault got a lot of stuff in it, and I try to give each and every gem as possible and refine it and give it to you guys. All right, so the last thing I want to tell you and I want to talk to you about is you got to have something, a hobby, to grow your mindset. Whether it's conversing with some peers, like-minded peers, whether it's watching motivational videos, whether it's studying or listening to somebody that you kind of idealistically want to become, have something that can just drive your mindset so it can keep pushing you. A lot of times we feel like we have no way out. The anxiety and the stress builds up over on us, and we think that this is just it, when really in reality, had we just shift our mindset to look at things from a different angle, we might be able to see things at a new perspective. So like I said, gotta have 5 hobbies. These 5 hobbies all don't gotta make money, but they all have to contribute to your lifestyle. All right, so definitely check this video out. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, make sure you check that bell notification, because you don't want to miss no more tricks, fixes, and anything that I give you. All right, and like I said, help us get into the algorithm, help us start getting seen by people. The algorithm has changed. Short form content is lovable and long form content is dislikable, so I definitely want to get this stuff back likable. Definitely, if you watch this video and you found a gem in here, anything, no shape, form, or size, definitely down in the comments let me know what you got from this video. And with that final note, I just want to say I love you guys and stay blessed.